Hello, good morning students, welcome back. After examination, before exam we did not complete any lesson of grammar, so we are going to start with grammar lessons. We have completed 11 lessons of English grammar till antonyms we have completed, and now we are going to start with lesson number 12, the clever donkey. Okay, what it is, name of the lesson is what? The clever donkey. Now what is given in the lesson is, we have to read the passage. What we have to do, we have to read passage. Read the following passage and answer the questions given below it. एक छोटासा passage दिलेला आहे, दोन paragraphs दिलेले आहेत. There are two paragraphs and we have to read these paragraphs and answers are there in these paragraphs. What is there? There are answers in these two paragraphs and we have to read those answers, and no, we have to read the paragraphs and then some questions are asked. Okay, and what questions are asked in the book, we have to find out that answer in the paragraphs. Okay, now first of all, here it is told that read the following passage and answer the questions given below. Now I will read the passage. Okay, pay attention, you can keep your finger on the line. Here, Pandu lived in a village. He used to supply milk to the villagers. What he used to supply? He used to supply milk to the villagers. Every morning his donkey and he went for their rounds. One day Pandu fell sick. One day Pandu fell sick means what happened to Pandu? तो आजारी पडला. He did not know how to reach the milk to his customers. आता दूध तर सगळ्यांना प्रोव्हाइड करायचं, दूध तर पाठवायचं, मग कसं पाठवायचं? पांडू तर आजारी आहे. Then he does something. So his wife suggested to send the donkey with vessels of milk. Pandu agreed. He hung the board round the donkey's neck with the words, "Please collect your milk and put the money in the bag." The donkey then followed the route it had learned. It went to a house and pulled the bell rope with its teeth. The villager came out, read the notice, took his milk and put the money in the bag. In this way, the donkey went to every villager's house and came back to Pandu with the milk vessels empty and the bag full of money. Pandu said to his wife, "What a clever donkey we have." Understood? Now Pandu was sick. When he fell sick, ज्यावेळेस पांडू आजारी पडला, त्याच्या वाईफनी काय सांगितलं त्याला की एव्हरी डे डॉंकी इज हॅव्हिंग हॅबिट. रोज आपण गाढवाला, तुम्ही गाढवाला घेऊन जातात प्रत्येकाच्या घरी. आता गाढवाला तो रूट सगळा माहीत आहे, करेक्ट ना, टू फ्रॉम हुज हाऊस टू हुज हाऊस वी हॅव टू गो. सो डॉंकी नोज द रूट. सो वॉट वी कॅन डू इज, we can do one thing is, we can send donkey with milk and put one board. We will hung means what? We will hang one board in his neck, and on that board what will be written? Please collect your milk and put the money in the bag. Okay, please collect your milk and put the money in the bag. So then donkey goes and then he pulls the bell rope, and each and every villager comes outside of his house, and what they do, they take whatever milk is there, 1 liter, half liter, 2 liters. त्यांचं जेवढं दूध असेल तेवढं ते दूध त्यांनी व्हेसलमधून काढून घेतलं, आणि there was a bag hanged in his neck. They used to put money in his bag, and donkey sold all milk and came back. And then what did Pandu say to his wife? What a clever donkey we have. Understood? Now first question which is asked here is, where did Pandu live? In first sentence only answer is there. Pandu lived in a village. Where did I keep pen? Pandu lived in a village. So write down first answer. I am writing first answer. Is it visible from here? First answer, Pandu lived in a village. Second answer, second question which is asked here is, what work did he do? Who? Pandu. Okay, So Pandu used to supply milk to the villagers. Pandu used to supply milk to the villagers. Used to supply milk to the villagers. Third question, why did they send the donkey alone with the milk? One day Pandu fell sick, so they sent the donkey alone with the milk. Okay. One day Pandu fell sick, so they sent the donkey. So they sent the donkey alone with the milk. Fourth question which is asked is, what was written on the board hanging around the donkey's neck? What was written on the board? Please collect. Fourth answer. Please collect your milk. And put the money in the bag. Fifth question which is asked in the book is, what did the donkey do to make the villager come out? The donkey used to pull the bell rope. Fifth answer, the donkey used to pull the bell rope. The donkey used to pull the bell rope. Is it visible? The donkey used to pull the bell rope with its teeth to make the villager come out. Sixth one, what did the villagers do when they saw the donkey? The villagers took their milk. The villagers took their milk and put the money in the bag. After that, seventh question is fill in the blanks. We have to write down one word for a group of words. What is that? something written for others to see and read. Something is written, notice for example, notice is written. Where do we write notice? We write notice on a board. So what is answer here? Seventh one, board, B-O-A-R-D, board. Eighth one, write rhyming words for the following. Question number 8. Rhyming word for village. What is rhyming word for village? Rhyming word for village is village, college, or you can write down knowledge. Okay. Second one which is asked is fell, F-E-L-L, fell. He fell sick, S-E-L-L, sell. And third one, W-E-N-T, went. What word can be rhyming for went? S-E-N-T, sent. Past tense of send. Understood? Have you understood in this way? S-E-N-T, sent. It is visible? Yes. In this way we have completed our lesson number 12, the clever donkey. Please complete all these question answers in your English grammar book, and whenever you will come for checking your books in the school, at that time you have to bring your grammar book. Okay, thank you.